Hey everyone, welcome back to BDG Reviews. What I got right now is an unboxing of another Parasite movies, Shin Godzilla, and Chinese Ghost Story. I actually finished this unboxing before I'm filming this, so hence why they're already out. So, yeah, I hope you enjoy. Yeah. Okay, so this package is from dddhouse.com. I just found this site recently, actually, and it's pretty interesting just due to the fact that they got movies from Hong Kong, China, Japan, Korea, everywhere, but they're a hell of a lot cheaper than other places. Like, they're quite a bit cheaper than Yes Asia, you know, so I decided to give them a shot, and this has come through pretty quick. This was about 10 days, and so, well, yeah, so let's get to this unpacking. They seem to wrap it up quite nicely, I gotta admit. I was actually surprised. It just looked to be wrapped in bubble wrap, but it seems to work, and everything seems okay. I got this entire bunch for about 160 Canadian. When you look at the same stuff on Yes Asia, you're usually looking around, you know, $250 to $300, so it's quite good. So here we go. First up, we have got another. This is the Japanese movie. There's an anime of it as well, and a manga and a book. You know, this was I think about $3, I think. It wasn't very expensive at all, so that was pretty good. So there's the front cover, the back, spine, and the disc. Good stuff. Next up, there's Chinese Ghost Story Trilogy. This is a set. I'll go one at a time. Part 1, front, back, disc, and liner art. Front, back, spine, disc, and the liner art of part 2. And front, back, spine, and disc, and liner art of part 3. This is a series I've been wanting to pick up on Blu-ray for quite a while, but it's never been particularly cheap. So when I found this one, this was about, I got it about $40 or something. It was quite worth it. That's the box. Shin Godzilla. This was my main reason for actually ordering to begin with. So you got the front, the back, disc. This is a subtitled Blu-ray, so you know, is what it is, right? And last up, we've got Parasite live action complete collection. There are the discs, cover art. Yeah, so I'm quite pleased with this. I mean, it's quite reasonably priced, and fast shipping. So yeah, this isn't a sponsored video, but you know, if DDD House feel like sponsoring me, I'm more than happy to oblige. But yeah, so that's it. I'll probably be putting up a review of the Shin Godzilla Blu-ray, maybe the Chinese Ghost Story series as well. But that's it for now. See you next time.